Welcome back to the Mushroom Minute, brought to you by the Mushroom Network. Today, we're focusing on the delightful Spiraceous crispa, or more commonly known as the cauliflower mushroom, a gourmet delight indeed. Let's get into it. Fact number 1. Did you know the cauliflower mushroom gets its name from its unique, brain-like shape that resembles a cauliflower? This mushroom isn't just interesting to look at. It's also packed with a nutty flavor that many chefs adore. Moving on to fact number 2, the cauliflower mushroom is not just a culinary delight. It's also a medicinal mushroom. It's rich in beta-glucans, compounds that have been studied for their immune-boosting potential. And fact number 3, the cauliflower mushroom is a woodland dweller, preferring the base of coniferous trees. It can be quite a spectacle, reaching up to a foot in diameter. That's pretty amazing, isn't it? And there you have it. Get involved in the fascinating world of fungi at the Mushroom Network's marketplace. Find the cauliflower mushrooms, genetics, and many more. Remember to hit subscribe for more fungi facts here in the Mushroom Minute. This is the Mushroom Network signing off for now.
If this Mushroom Minute sparked your interest, imagine what we could cover in the extended feature. There's a whole world of amazing insights, fascinating stories, and incredible uses for this kind of fungi genetics, and countless other genetics out there. But to make that happen, we need your help. By subscribing to our YouTube channel, you're not just signing up for amazing, in-depth content. You're helping grow our Mushroom Network and fueling our mission to share the incredible world of fungi, both far and wide. Thanks for watching. This is the Mushroom Network, signing off for now.